Most people think you need to spend over $1,000 to get an e-bike that's actually worth riding. But what if I told you that right now? There are some incredible e-bikes under $500 that deliver real performance, solid range. And serious style, today we're breaking down the top 10 e-bike deals under $500 you can buy right now, and trust me, some of these will surprise you. The Qlife Spark electric bike, and this one really stands out for being a lot more capable than its price suggests. For $499.99 on Amazon, you're getting a compact e-bike with a 1,500-watt peak motor that makes city riding smooth and stress-free, plus a detachable 48V13 of battery that comfortably covers short commutes and everyday errands. The design is sleek and compact, which makes it easy to store in small spaces, but it still feels stable and comfortable when you ride. Unlike some budget e-bikes, it doesn't feel flimsy or toy like it actually delivers a solid, dependable ride. What makes the Spark such a deal is how balanced it is. At this price, many e-bikes cut corners, but here, you get a well-rounded mix of style, comfort, and reliability. For beginners or anyone just curious about e-bikes without overspending, this is a great entry point. But if you're looking for something with a little more grit and off-road capability, the next bike is built exactly for that. Number 9, Swagtron EB6 Bandit. Coming in next is the Swagtron EB6 Bandit, and this one is all about attitude. If the Spark is the sleek city commuter, the EB6 is its rugged cousin that's ready to hit dirt paths and gravel trails without breaking a sweat. What sets the Bandit apart is its fat tire design. Those oversized tires not only look aggressive, but also give you extra stability and grip when the terrain gets tricky. Potholes, loose gravel, even light off-road trails this bike handles them way better than most budget e-bikes in its class. The 350-watt motor and battery combo won't blow you away with insane top speeds, but that's not the point here. Instead, it's built to deliver steady, reliable power, letting you cruise comfortably whether you're on pavement or dirt. Add in dual disc brakes, and you've got stopping power that feels reassuring, especially for new riders testing their limits. So if you want an e-bike that looks tough, feels tough, and gives you the confidence to ride on more than just smooth city streets, the Swagtron EB6 Bandit is a steal. But if you're more interested in compact convenience, something that can handle daily commuting and tight spaces, the next bike is built exactly for that lifestyle. Number 8, Jetson Bolt Pro. Up next is the Jetson Bolt Pro, and this one is all about convenience. If you live in the city or have limited space, this bike feels like it was designed just for you. It's compact, lightweight, and even foldable, which makes it easy to carry upstairs, tuck into a car trunk, or store in a tight apartment corner. Despite its small size, the Bolt Pro doesn't feel like a toy. The 350-watt rear hub motor gives you just enough kick to make commutes smoother, especially on flat city streets, and the range of 30 miles with pedal assist is solid for quick rides to work, school, or the store. The battery charges fairly quickly too, so you can plug it in at home or even under your desk and be ready to roll again. What makes this bike stand out is how approachable it is. There's no intimidation factor, you just hop on, twist the throttle, and ride. For beginners or anyone looking for a hassle-free e-bike priced at $280 to $350 on sale at Costco, this one is a no-brainer. If you're all about portability and simplicity, the Bolt Pro nails it. But if you're looking for something that's still compact yet pushes the limits of performance just a little more, the next bike has you covered. Number 7, Sailnovo Y1-14. Now, let's talk about the Sailnovo Y1-14. A compact folding e-bike that punches way above its weight in this price range. With its 14-inch wheels and lightweight frame, it's designed for riders who need something portable but don't want to sacrifice performance. Priced at $389.99, the 350-watt motor gives you a surprising amount of power for quick acceleration on city streets, and the battery offers enough range for daily commutes or weekend cruising without constantly worrying about charging. It's small, yes, but it feels sturdy and comfortable even on longer rides. What really makes the Y1-14 shine is its foldability. In just seconds, you can fold it down and carry it onto a bus, slide it under a desk, or stash it in a car trunk. For anyone juggling public transit with biking, or for riders with limited storage space, this bike is a game changer, and unlike some ultra-budget folding bikes, the Sailnovo doesn't cut corners on style. The sleek frame design gives it a clean, modern look that feels a lot more premium than the price tag suggests. So if you're looking for an affordable, portable e-bike that actually feels fun to ride, the Y1-14 is hard to beat. But if you like the idea of a compact design with a bit more of that scooter-like vibe, the next bike might catch your attention. Number 6 Hiboy P10 Folding Epic is sliding into the list. Next is the Hiboy P10 Folding Epic. And this one brings a totally different vibe. Instead of feeling like a traditional bicycle, the P10 leans closer to a scooter-style ride compact. Low profile and super easy to handle, it's built for urban riders who want something lightweight, simple, and affordable. The motor gives you just the right amount of zip for city streets, while the compact frame makes it effortless to weave through traffic or ride comfortably in tighter spaces. And when you're done, the foldable design means you can carry it inside without the hassle of locking it up outside. The battery range is solid for short to medium commutes, and charging is quick enough to make daily use convenient. It's not about hitting top speeds or extreme mileage, it's about practicality, portability, and fun, all at a price of $400 to $500 that doesn't sting your wallet. For riders who want an e-bike that's compact, affordable, and perfect for quick city rides, the Hiboy P10 delivers. But if you want something even more budget-friendly, with a classic folding bike feel, the next pick will be right up your alley. Number 5 TOEU Electric Folding Bike. Next up is the TOEU Electric Folding Bike, one of the most budget-friendly folding e-bikes you can find. But don't let the low price fool you, it's got plenty to offer. This one is all about simplicity. The lightweight frame makes it easy to carry. The foldable design means it fits just about anywhere, and the ride itself is smooth and comfortable for everyday use. The 350-watt brushless motor isn't built to break speed records, but it gives you enough boost to make commuting or casual riding effortless. The 36V6 battery provides a decent range for short trips around town, and charging is quick enough that you're never waiting too long before you're back on the road. Where the TOEU really shines is accessibility. It's affordable, easy to ride, and takes away the intimidation factor that some first-time riders feel when looking at bikes. Just unfold, hop on, and go. And priced at £300, that kind of reliability is tough to beat. If you like the idea of a foldable bike, but want something with a little more premium feel and European styling, our next pick might just catch your eye. Number 4 Kugoo Kirin B1 Pro UK model. Coming in at number 4 is the Kugoo Kirin B1 Pro, a compact folding e-bike that's especially popular in the UK market. What sets this one apart is its stylish, European-inspired design paired with features you don't usually expect at this price point. The B1 Pro packs a punch with a lightweight frame that's easy to carry, but still sturdy enough to feel solid on the road. That 150-watt brushless motor gives you smooth acceleration for city riding, while the battery offers just enough range for daily commutes or short leisure rides. For riders in the UK, this bike is a fantastic deal at $415, giving you practicality, style, and portability in one package. But if you're looking for something with a little more retro charm and unique personality, the next bike might just win you over. Number 3 CYCROWN CycRun Epic. At number 3, we've got the CycRun Epic by CYCROWN, and this one immediately stands out for its retro-inspired design. Instead of going for the ultra-modern look, the CycRun brings back that classic mini bike vibe, but with the convenience of an electric motor. Don't let the retro styling fool you, though this bike is all about practicality. The 1000-watt peak motor delivers enough punch for city cruising, and the 374.4 Wh removable and lockable lithium-ion battery gives you a reliable range for everyday rides. It's not built for high-speed thrills, but it's perfect for commuting, casual trips, or just having fun around town. Priced at $499 on Amazon. The CycRun is proof that an e-bike doesn't have to be futuristic to be exciting. Sometimes a retro look with modern performance is the perfect combo. But if retro isn't your style and you're after a bike that feels more like a modern city cruiser, the next one might be exactly what you're looking for. Number 2 Jasion EB5 Folding Electric Bike. In the second spot, we've got the Jasion EB5 Folding Electric Bike, a hidden gem in the budget e-bike market. This bike is built for riders who want a compact design, but still crave the comfort and performance of a larger bike. The EB5 stands out with its sturdy frame, responsive motor, and reliable battery life that easily handles daily commutes or weekend rides. The foldable design makes it easy to store and carry, but when it's unfolded, it feels like a full-sized ride, giving you stability and confidence on the road. For under $379 to $399, the Jasion EB5 offers a rare combination of portability, comfort, and performance, making it an excellent choice for riders who want a versatile e-bike without spending big. Number 1 Ridstar Electric Bike. Finally, we wrap up the list with the Ridstar Electric Bike, a sleek city cruiser that brings modern styling and surprising performance to the under $500 price point. This one is all about blending comfort with practicality, making it a strong choice for riders who want an affordable daily commuter that still feels fun to ride. Comfort is another big win here. The upright riding position makes it easy to cruise around town without feeling cramped, and the tires handle both smooth pavement and the occasional bump or rough patch. The 1,500-watt brushless motor delivers enough punch for city cruising, and the battery gives you a reliable range for everyday rides. It's not built for high-speed thrills, but it's perfect for commuting, casual trips, or just having fun around town. One thing people love about the CycRun is how approachable it feels. The lower seat height makes it comfortable for riders of all sizes, and the wide handlebars give you that stable, scooter-like handling. Add in its compact size, and it's an easy choice for anyone who wants a fun, affordable e-bike that's simple to ride and easy to store. At around $449, the Ridstar feels like a premium commuter hiding behind a budget price tag. And that wraps up our list of the top 10 e-bike deals under $500. From compact commuters to rugged fat tire rides, these bikes prove you don't need to spend a fortune to get started. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments, and if you found this list helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss the next roundup of the best e-bike deals out there.